Hey y'all, if you want to see how I went from this brown dingy black hair to this black hair, keep watching. I use Creme of Nature's Exotic Shine Color with Argan Oil. I first started off by sectioning my clean dry hair into 4 sections. I then went in with some Vaseline and I applied it all around my hairline. And I applied it on my ears, I applied it on my neck, I applied it everywhere where I thought the dye may touch, just to protect my skin from the dye staining. Right here in this step, I am mixing the color with the color developer. And once I have this mixed, I put the top back on and shake it up really well. Now, if you notice, I have 2 of them. I have 2 because I have a lot of hair and I now need 2 boxes of dye to complete my whole head. But I do the same thing to the other and I shake it up. Right here, I'm putting on some gloves and I'm adding my hair wraparounds around my wrist just to keep the gloves on because I'm using the gloves that came in a box because I forgot to purchase my own. So I hate those box gloves because they always slide off, but I'm using these hair ties just to tie it around my wrist to keep them in place. Now I'm using a dye. I'm applying it not to my scalp, but close to it, and I'm just gonna work it all throughout my hair and all my strands and make sure everything is evenly saturated. Once I'm finished with a section, I take it and wrap it back up, and then I go on to work on the next section. Then once I'm done with all the sections, I take all the sections down and then just work it throughout my whole head, making sure I didn't leave nothing out, making sure I get every piece of hair because I want everything jet black. Okay, now that I'm pretty much done with putting dye to all the sections, I take all the sections out and I use the remaining bit of what I have left and apply the color closer to my scalp. I can say that this dye made my hair feel so moisturized and it was easy to pull my hair apart. My hair wasn't tangled at all. Instead, it felt like I had conditioner in my hair, how smooth and how shiny and how soft my hair felt and looked. I let the dye sit in for 30 minutes. The next step is to wash my hair. This shampoo, however, did not come in the box, but I washed my hair with Creme of Nature's Detangling and Conditioning Shampoo and then applied the Intensive Conditioning Treatment, which came in the box. I let this sit on my hair for approximately 10 minutes and then rinse with cool water. Last step, I added the Argan Oil Treatment. I can say my hair was left jet black, shiny, moisturized, and just felt amazing. I was happy and I would use again. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.